I want to first make a small introduction. I'm gonna be trying or changing these head units, the original that came with the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2012. Yeah, I have already disconnect the negative down there. This is Australia, that's why steering wheel is on that side. We are gonna be installing this DMH-A5650BT that is supposed to have wireless Apple CarPlay. Yeah, as you can see in this picture here, it's wireless. And I've been told I need this install kit for the Sprinter. This install kit is the FP8529K. It's from Aerpro. I don't know, it was the one I could find there. Then they told me I need also this one. It's from Aerpro. It's APP8PI08. I think the O is a 0. So as you can see, start on the top, yeah, working your way down, easy. Just I opened this a few times. I asked a friend for a CD player to see if this is working, and amazing, it works perfect. Actually, I really like how this one looks, but I need to have Apple Maps and as well better sound quality. I did change the speakers there, and the tweeters that the speaker came with that. You can check this link to go there. And this one, some people leave it hanging, but what I'm gonna do is just disconnect it. Yeah. Here we have. Let's put it away. Yeah, okay. Now, for what I know, we need to remove these 4 screws in order to take this out. Okay. One. I always like to have like zip bags to put the screws and label them to know what there are, but I forgot to bring it, and it's extremely hot outside. Not extremely, but it's pretty hot, so I tried to find a lot of YouTube videos of how to do this exactly, but I don't know, I don't feel like there's too many steps like people skip, and I think every step is important to do this. Okay, cut it out. What a beautiful unit. Okay, I'm gonna make a picture just to know where everything goes plug. Okay, I did figure it out and was more simple. So this one, you don't need to put it back. So the only thing you need to do is pull this one down, then pops. What are we doing first? So it's like a single DIN, has 10 amps. So that means that one had a 15 amps, so it should be fine. But I don't think it's gonna fit through here. No, it will not. Will through there, but I don't want to put it upside down. This goes like this and it doesn't fit there, so this one is wrong, or I need to cut this piece of plastic that I don't feel like cutting a piece of plastic. Okay, it's okay like that. So what I did is, this is the head unit. Yeah, I trimmed this piece out let me take everything apart, and I'm gonna start like first thing you need to do is to trim this piece out. Yeah, so yeah, when something like that, I just use a multi-tool and cut it here and here. What is really important, do not cut these little things, yeah, because these are used to hold the unit in place, and I was in doubt how they will do that to hold it in place, but now I try, and yeah, it looks pretty good. So this is the correct way to put it. So this is left. So let's start. The kit, the Aerpro kit, comes with this. This is right. So let's put this one. You see the hooks. Let's do this. So you see, and it goes in there. Gotta press pretty good. Same with the other side. Took me a while to figure out this, but finally did it. Yeah. And now left, right. Let's fit in the head unit. It's pretty tight, which is good, I think. Right, a little struggle there. Wait, almost. Yeah. Okay. There we have a head unit in, and the other thing I want to have installed so I can have all this ready is this. This, if it's not locking exactly in place, it's gonna be rattling, and we don't want that. I know. So see, it did like a click. It's because, wait, let it go. It clicks here, you see, and there, and the same on the other side. But if it's a little bit loose, it's gonna be rattling. So we just want to put our head unit in a position that doesn't do that. In order to do that, I found that if I put it upside down, I use this little thing to don't let it fall down. Just put it like this. It's well support, and I'm gonna use the screws that came with the head unit, and can only use these two places. So I'm gonna just screw them a little bit, and then I'm gonna find the final location and tie it. So same on the other side, and why this side looks kinda different. I'll use this one, and this one too. Alright, I hope you were able to see that. See, we use those and those two, same ones. So now we need to find the location for these two. Okay, on the other side. What I'm doing is push with my thumb here up. I got this way and I push this one down. So, yeah, and we're going to get it right now. Because this is the first time in this. It's a little bit loose. Better. Second. And this way. Here's where exactly on the other hand. think that's the way. Just push from this one down. Let's do it. Take that one. Take this one. This side. Okay. Okay. I like it. Now this is pretty good. It's not rattling. I don't like that. You see? There's two things there. I could have cut them away. Okay, and now we leave them there. Yeah, this is the way. This side. Give it a okay. It's pretty good. Now I have a question if I'm gonna be able to, yeah, to remove the plastic. I'm pretty sure I will. It's not the first time I will need to put everything apart once again, so it's not gonna be a problem. I don't know. What do you think? I think this is the right way. Okay. This is what came with the kit. You see FP8529K. So from here, what we have is this is what we are gonna be using. Yeah, this connects to the van. Just plug and play this, and then all these cablings, key 2, ground, key 1, and this one. So let's see. So this is supposed to connect to the head unit, yeah, because this of course is not gonna connect and do, but the good thing why you need to buy it apart, because this is for double DIN or single DIN, yeah, for fans, but then this one is different if it's Pioneer, Sony, whatever. So this one is the one that connects in the head unit. So what I want to do is leave everything ready to take the one in the van and be ready to connect it. Here these two are exactly the same, but if you see, one has 5 pins and the other one have 8, and here if you see, this one has 5 and this one has 6, so yeah, not too much thinking there. Only thing, this is not about like pressing hard, it's more about just to wiggle it, because every pin needs to go in of those, and as you can see, this moves, yeah. So what I do, I hold it like this, I press a little bit and I just start moving the cable still. They start going in, takes a while, yeah, okay, all in, and then I press one by one in, Then take the other one. It's this one. This one we have only 5 cables, which I would say they are pretty big. Okay, this one went in pretty easy. Same with the other side. And now here I think it's color code, so I forgot to watch some instructions. The kit doesn't have any instructions, so this one is white, purple and white. So take to this, push this back. Yeah, but put it over it. Okay. It's going in. Okay. Let's assume that this is the color code. Take this one, the bar brake. And this thing. That's correct. Now, the one. VSS. Based on the one for VSS. You know, it's compatibility. Okay. Shut the Then this. This I'm pretty sure is for the see this other cable that kind of comes with this, with the kit, is meant to connect to this, but this is Pioneer and this is who knows who. This one Pioneer and this is we don't know. So this we are not going to be using. Then this one is cable that came with a Pioneer. As you saw that I took it from there. It says steering wheel control, so I will assume it connects to this. Mute. Rear view camera in. The mute cable. We still have one cable here, but if you see, it's an extra one because there's 2 cables going up from there. So, and then for this one, that's as well, an extra cable. This one's brown key. Q1, key 2, ground. I have no idea. The mute thing, I'm not gonna be plugging in it. And the rear view camera in as well, not. Then the Pioneer also has this. Looks, it connects there, and it's for the antenna. They say GPS, so it has here comes with this, the Pioneer. So open it up. But this one I think I'm gonna first install it in the van. Yeah. Here on top we have plenty of room, so I might end up sticking it up there like this. Because this is the GPS that it will plug in there. So this one we are gonna leave it for later. Okay, this is for the speakers, but I don't have an amplifier, I just changed the speakers. So this we are not gonna be using. And this one is if you want to do it the old school way, plug that in and just connect all the cables, but this replace this and make it really easy. This one was like 20 bucks, so not that much for the time save. This, let's see what it is. Aux in. I've been thinking about this one. Yeah, this goes in here like this. Aux in. Has Bluetooth, has Apple CarPlay, wireless Apple CarPlay. So this one, it's gonna be a waste of time. This is the mic microphone. That I assume it connects here. Yeah, it does. But I will need to find a place where to put it in. That it's like this. Oh wow. Looks like I'm gonna be doing streaming while driving this fancy microphone. This is for this, so I think I'm gonna be using it like this. I'm not sure exactly where I'm gonna place it for the moment, but no, I don't think I'm gonna use this, but just in case, let's take it. And the USB, I saw a video on YouTube of a guy that connected and he did something pretty smart. Put it on in the glove box, which I think is pretty easy because you can open the glove box at any time. I think it's long enough. This one plugs in here like that, and then you have 5 volts, 1.5 amps exit. And comes in handy. So this one we are plugging in, so let's take it. We got 2 antennas, yeah, white one, that is our main antenna for what I found on the internet. It doesn't want to go out. Okay, nothing wants to go out today. What's going on? Okay. Okay, let's take this one out. That is the easiest one. Just need to push these 2 in and this one to the back, then just this one to the back, clicks, it's out. This one, okay, went out. This is our main, yeah, this is the head unit. I tried with a CD player, works perfect, actually I love it, but I need to have maps and Bluetooth music, so let's go with that. Let's put this one aside. Somebody told me that they want to buy it, but okay, now we are gonna plug this in. Yeah, let's first have a look to this, how it fits in here without plugging anything. Our cable here. All right. I like it. Okay, last thing I wanna do is to plug everything in here. So this one, I just want to have a look if I can plug this in here. Again, I need my third hand that I don't have. Yeah, this one will plug in here. For what I know, this is like the main antenna and this one is a secondary antenna, so we're gonna be plugging the main antenna, of course. Okay, I've been thinking, and what I'm gonna do is just install it, and some other day I'm gonna lift all the floor, open the battery bay, connect the reverse camera. I'm gonna be using a wireless device because I don't have a way to put a cable all the way to the back because the motorhome conversion is finished. The only way to run a cable is through under the van, and I don't want to do that. I want to try to do it wireless, but that's gonna be in the future. For now, I want to have this installed. I think the GPS as well, I'm gonna have it connect under this where the center speaker was, because I removed it. I'm gonna have it installed under there, but as well I will need to remove this, so I'm gonna also install it in the future. Anyway, I'm gonna be using Google Maps. So okay, now let's do the cabling. See, here is where the reverse camera is gonna be plugged in. This is for the wheel control. This one, the blue one, is for the amplifier that I don't have. It sends a signal for the amplifier. This yellow one, have no idea what it is. And yeah, let's get this connect. But what I see here is that this is missing a few cables. Like the purple one is not there. Okay, let's connect it and see which cables are not there. White one on this side on the left. Okay, on the left side, the only ones that is not there is the white one, and on the right side, the two on the top, the two purple with a black stripe and the full purple is not here. Then the two on the bottom that are the two greens. Yeah, so let's see, let's follow those. The small white is going to here, connects to this small white. Yeah, this small white is the one that is not gonna be connected because it doesn't have the connection here. Then the two purple, yeah, are these two purple on this side, these two, not that one goes in here. And we said the two green ones, that the two green ones going here, they go on the bottom there. Those, my van doesn't have them. Let's connect this. I don't want to push it too hard. Feels like something doesn't want to go in. Beautiful. Just need to use this to pull it in. Then we can already connect this to the head unit then, and get all these cables put on top up here, that there is plenty of room. So let's install the steering wheel column first. In there. Then we set the wide camera, but this is a little bit longer. Clicks in, and we just need to install the antenna and try to get all these cables out of the way. So the wire antenna, oh my god, okay, come on. Use my other hand. Beautiful. Yeah, it's plugged in. So now just need to put all this out of the way. You too. Oh, not on the side. There's no cables on this side, cables on that side. Okay, there it is. Here needs to go more to the back, so something is stopping it from going more to the back, you see? Nice, okay, I think. Yeah, okay. Put the screws. Up here too. Okay, now let's put this back. First, let's reinstall the hazard lights. Oh wow. Oh wow, I think a moment we can plug the ground. Yeah, it's plugged. Hear a noise. Let's use the car keys. Switch it on. on. No GPS antenna, I know. That was really nice. Let's try with a radio. Okay, you couldn't hear that, otherwise I will get my video banned, but the volume was so loud. I don't know why they said it like that at the beginning, but I love it. It's looking awesome. It's looking awesome. I just need to remove that plastic and connect the Bluetooth. Oh, let's give it a try of the this. To run device, search from device, please select to connect. Okay, let's do that. Wi-Fi. To run device, search for the device. Should I use Bluetooth? I think. Here we have it. Yes. Yeah. Hello. Okay, or line will work with ApplePlay. Place yes to enable. Please attach the GPS in order to use Apple Car over wireless. Oh wow! Okay, the GPS antenna must be connected in order to use this. Okay, switch it off. Let's connect the GPS antenna and let's see how good it's looking. Go to Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, connecting. Okay. Oh wow. This is awesome. It's truly awesome. I love it. I love it. Google Maps. Go to home. Awesome. Perfect. Well done. All working good. It's a little bit out, but yeah. That's it. Nothing rattling. All good. So put this down so you can see. Okay, good. Yes. How good that looks. It's perfect. Perfect. Super happy with installation. I am also happy with the Aerpro kit. It's awesome. Super happy with the head unit. I'm gonna make. Yeah, I still need to connect to the rear camera, but that's coming for the future. For the moment I needed this, so I have this. We are all happy. Bye.